If Opera is showing a failed network error while downloading files, the problem is often caused by the built-in VPN, the download location, or one of Opera's experimental settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get your downloads working again quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's start with the most common cause. Opera's integrated VPN can sometimes route your traffic through unstable servers or switch nodes during a download, and that can instantly interrupt the file stream. To check this, look directly to the left of your address bar and find the VPN badge. Click it, then toggle the VPN switch off. Once VPN is disabled, try the download again and see if the error disappears. If the download still fails, the next step is to open your download history. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and J on your keyboard. This opens the downloads page where you can see recent files that were interrupted. If the file is still available, click Retry or Resume next to the download. In many cases, this alone is enough to continue the file from where it stopped. Now let's make sure Opera is saving files to a safe location. Go to Opera Settings, then open the Downloads section. Find the location path and click the Change button next to it. Instead of saving to a complicated folder path, choose a simple and neutral location such as your desktop. This can help avoid permission issues or broken save paths that may trigger download errors. While you're still in the download settings, turn on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This gives you control over every file before it starts saving, which can help prevent Opera from using a problematic folder automatically. Once this is enabled, future downloads will be easier to manage and troubleshoot. If the issue is still happening, we need to adjust one of Opera's hidden flags. In the address bar, type opera//flags and press Enter. This takes you to Opera's experimental settings page. In the search box, type parallel downloading. When you find it, open the drop-down menu and change the setting from default to disabled. Parallel downloading can sometimes cause conflicts on certain files or unstable connections, so turning it off can resolve failed network errors. After making that change, click the Relaunch button in the bottom right corner. Opera needs to restart so the new setting can take effect. Once the browser opens again, try your download one more time. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the problem: turning off the VPN, resuming the download, changing the download location, enabling the save prompt, or disabling parallel downloading. If you had the same failed network error, try these steps in order and test after each one so you can identify what worked. If this video helped you fix Opera's failed network error, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.